in Filipino, bilang kabataan sa panahon ngayon, kung saan ay fake news ay lumalaganap, paano mo ito lalaban?
Sa panahon ngayon, maraming fake news lumalaganap, especially sa social media. I will use my platform to raise awareness to my co-youth na dapat pag-isipan natin bago tayo maniwala. Dapat hanapin natin ang totoo bago tayo maniwala sa bagay na wala namang katotohanan o wala namang pruweba. And I want to use this platform to say something that, especially in social media, fake news is very common. We should always think before believing, and we also need to research first before believing on something that we don't even have a proof or doesn't even have enough evidence. Thank you.